Jai Gurudev children. Beta, in last period we have completed chapter number 7, that is fundamental operations. Okay, and I am hoping that everybody of you have completed till here. Now after 7, 8 and 9 we have not taken in the syllabus this year due to this COVID problem. Okay, and now we are going to do chapter number 10. Okay, this chapter will also come in your second unit, second internal assessment. Okay, whenever it will be conducted, chapter number 7, 10 and one more chapter that I will see which one is there. I will tell you later on. Okay, now average means beta, suppose in a daily way we are using this in our word in our day-to-day life, and this is what is average marks, average height, average temperature. What is the meaning of this average? Average means suppose we are discussing about the average height. So average height will lie between the somewhere is the tallest and between the shortest person. Same way average temperature will lie between somewhere highest temperature or between lowest temperature. Okay, average marks lie between highest marks and lowest marks. So in this way we make a consideration that what is the means average, what is at least the minimum marks got by the maximum means what is the minimum marks got by the or most of the student. That is known as the average. Okay, now beta, in this average we are having one formula. Okay, average is equal to sum of numbers upon total numbers. Means total how many numbers are there? Total numbers. Okay, so in this way, on the basis of this, only one exercise in this topic may be, that is chapter number exercise 10.1. okay, and exercise 10.1 only one formula is there and all the questions are based on that only. Okay, what is that? Question number 1a. See that, find the average of the given sets of the numbers. Find the average of the given sets of numbers. What is the first question? A part is that 33, 56, 23, 42 and 30. We have to find the average of these numbers. So how we will find? First of all, take sum. Sum is equal to 33 plus 56 plus 23 plus 42 plus 30. Okay, then we will take out its average. Okay, just see how we will do this. Now see that beta, if we will add these ones, what will come? 184. Okay, so see that now formula how we will do. Sum of numbers came 184 divided by how many numbers are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now divide it. See that 5 3 ja 15. Okay, then 3 will come as remainder. 4, 5, 6 ja 30. Okay, then 4 will be as remainder, point here, and 5 8 ja 40. 36.8. So your average can come in your decimal also. Average can come in decimal also. Okay, so this will be as your answer. Only this much you have to do the question. See that one more question, B part I am doing. The numbers are 11, 12, 17, 21 or 10. Now again these are the steps. Then in step 1 you will write the formula. Average is equal to sum of numbers upon total numbers. Upon total numbers. So now take the sum of numbers as in from next line, that is 11 plus 12 plus 17 plus 21 or plus 10. or divided by, here also 5 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if we will add them, what will come is equal to 71. 71 divided by 5. So if we will divide 71 by 5, you can see that what will come, 5 2 ja, 5 1 ja 5, 7 minus 5 2, okay, 21, 5 4 ja 20, then 1 will come decimal, 5 2 ja 10, 14.2. So this will be your average. 14.2 will be average. So it's just simple. You can do them very easily. Okay. And now come to the C part of this question, and then D and E part will be as your homework. See that beta, now see that in C part these numbers are given to you. Okay. First step, you will write the formula. Average is equal to sum of numbers upon total numbers. Total numbers. Okay. Then sum of numbers means 23 plus 25 plus 28 plus 17 or plus 29 or divided by 5. Okay. So if you will add them, so what we will get, it will come equal to 122 divided by 5. If I will divide them, 5 2 ja 10, okay, then 2 will come down again to 5 4 ja 20, okay, then 2, and here decimal will you can put, and 5 4 ja 20. 24.4 will be as your average. Okay, so from question number first till C I have completed, and D and E part you just do in your homework. Okay beta, in the same way, same step you have to follow. So I am thinking that this is not difficult for you. Now I am proceeding to the B part of the question, and see that what is the B part, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, what is the question, fill in the blanks? See that the average of A part, the average of 50 kg, 40 kg, 55 kg, 40 kg and 60 kgs. 60 kg is dash. How you will do? Do in a proper method. Don't think that it's a fill up question. So you just do by your own method. Okay. Average is equal to sum of numbers upon total numbers. Upon total numbers. Now see that beta, sum of numbers means 50 plus 40 plus 55 plus 40 or plus 60 divided by how many? Again 5 numbers are there. Okay. So if you will add them, so you will get that 245. Okay. Divided by 5. Now see that 5 4 ja 20, then 4 will come down, and 5 9 ja 45. So what will be your average? 49 kg. So in this way you have to do the fill in the blanks. Okay. Now we are coming to the B part of the question. See that beta, the average of 5 meter, 4 meter, 15 meter, 20 meter, 6 meter is. Okay. First write the formula. Average is equal to sum of numbers upon total numbers. In the formula based question, it is must to write the formula first. If you are not writing the formula, whether suppose if any kind of question it is, then you are losing the marks for that. So in step 1, first always you should write the formula. So see that average is equal to sum of numbers upon total numbers. Now take the sum of numbers. 5 plus 4 plus 15 plus 20 or plus 6 divided by, here also 1 2 3 4 5. 5 numbers are given to you. Okay, now see that 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, or 9 plus, see that beta, its sum will come equal to 15 or divided by 5. So what will be your answer? 5 10 ja 50. So 10 will be as average 10 meter. Whatever written that 10 meter will be the average average of the given number. So see that it will be the middle, it will come, average means it will come in the middle of the numbers. So you can see that 5 meter, 4 meter. So it will lie somewhere here. Okay, so in this way it is the middlemost number. Okay, now see that beta, C part, the average of rupees, the average of rupees 60 comma rupees 32 comma rupees 43 comma rupees 53 is. Okay, so how we will do? Average is equal to beta, let us fill in the blank, so make dash here. Finally whatever answer will come, that we will write there. Okay, here 10 meter came, so you just write 10 meter here. So in this way your fill in the blanks will be completed. Now see that average is equal to sum of numbers upon total numbers. Okay, now see that beta, sum of numbers means 60 plus 32 plus 43 plus 53. Okay, only 4 numbers are there. Yes, divided by 1 2 3 4 4. Okay, so it is coming equal to 188 divided by 4. Now 188 divided by 4. 4 4 ja 16. Then here 2. 4 7 ja 28. What came answer? What the answer is coming? 47. So it will be 47 and in front of that rupees, because whatever answer will come, that will be in rupees only. So it will be rupees 47. Okay, so in this way beta, D and E part of the same question you will perform yourself. That will be your homework. Okay, see that now. Now see that beta, C part of the question, find the average of the first 10 even numbers. Okay, so first 10 even, first of all write first, everybody knows the even numbers. So first 10 even numbers, first 10 even numbers. Even numbers, you know, in the beginning of the chapters when we were learning chapter number 3rd, at that time I taught you that even, odd, a composite number. Even numbers are those numbers which are the multiples of 2. And you know that how we are finding the multiple of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Then 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. These will be the 10 numbers. Okay. Now we have to find their average. So write the formula of average. So average is equal to sum of numbers upon total numbers. Upon total numbers. Okay. Now see that sum of numbers means, beta, it will be, how you will write 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 divided by, already it is 10 numbers are there, so divided by 10. Okay, so it is coming equal to, these numbers sum always comes equal to 110 divided by 10. So 0 and 0 will become 10. So what it will be? Answer as 11. Okay, so in this way you just complete up to this question today, and in next class here from two parts from the question number first, 2 parts from the question number second, will be as your homework, and complete up to here, and in next class we will discuss from the next part of this question. Till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.